Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video, and this video we're showing you on how you can make the cleanest desktop background for your PC. Let's get started. Alright, so the first step in creating the cleanest background for your PC is we're going to go ahead and make the wallpaper moving and get a really nice wallpaper. So the wallpaper I have right now, the app, it's called Wallpaper Engine. It makes the wallpaper moving. I'm sure there are ones that are free, but the wallpaper engine that I'm using, it's on Steam. So if you want to download Steam, you gotta go download Steam. I'll have a link in the description to download it. But yeah, it's called Wallpaper Engine. It's got like $2 or $3, and it makes a new wallpaper moving. So I'll just go ahead and open Steam for you. I'll show you how the app looks like. I'll go ahead and launch. Press launch. So once you opened it, you should get a screen like this. Let it load. And it loads. Alright. There you go. So now that you have it open, you can go ahead and go into your installed, and you can find the one that you've already installed. If you want to download more, which is probably what you want to do in the beginning, you can search Workshop, and you can use filters and filter everything. I just have my filter to all of it on. Yeah, all of it on. But yeah, you can go ahead and Google let's search up anime, I guess. Why not? Which one looks nice? This one looks nice. Yeah, this one looks nice. Installed. Go ahead and see. This is the one it's gonna install. Let it install real quick. Alright, so it's installed. Go ahead and there you go, selected. Go ahead and move this to my second monitor real quick. As you can see, I have it installed. It looks pretty nice. It's moving, as you can see. And in the app, you have quite a lot of settings. Let me open my app. Alright. So you have enable LED effects. Go ahead and do like this. What does that do? I have no idea. Okay. Got playback rate, so you can see it goes faster. Not moving at all. You can control everything basically. Position, stretch, whatever you want to do. You can flip it if you want to. But yeah, this is the app. You can go ahead and download many. I have these Spider-Man ones, so as you can see. This one's pretty cool, but I have a specific one I really like, which is this one, I believe. Yep. Alright. So now we're gonna go ahead and close that. The app does cost money, sadly, but it is a really, really nice app. I'm gonna go ahead and search it up so you know what it costs. Alright, so it costs $4 only, which is pretty cheap to be honest. But if you can't afford it, just go ahead and go to Google. Just search up whatever background you want. So go ahead and search up Spider-Man. Spelled it wrong, obviously. Spider-Man wallpaper. And you got all these really nice wallpaper. You can search up this one's really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and download this. It's really nice. Copy and whatever. I'll download it later. You got phone ones. You can search up which one you want, whatever. 1920 times 1080. You can see whatever one you want. What is this? Okay. But yeah. Go ahead and close that out. So the second step is to get a translucent Windows taskbar. So what you want to do to go get the translucent one is press on your Windows key or your Windows button and go to Microsoft Store. If you don't have it, go ahead and install it. Once you're here, go press search and search up the app called TRAN, Translucent TV. Yeah. When you search up trans, it will go and find the translucent TV. You don't need to log into the Microsoft account to download the app, which is really nice. So just download it. It won't take that long. Sorry. Press launch, and it will instantly make your taskbar invisible. You don't have to do any sort of steps or anything, and it opens when you start your PC. So yeah, that's how you do the taskbar invisible thing. And yeah, The third and final step is how to make your desktops disappear. So as you can see, I don't have any desktops, this whatever the word is. Sorry. I don't have any like apps on my desktop. So yeah, what you want to do is just right click on your mouse, press View, and as you can see, there's like a button called Show Desktop Icons. Go ahead and press it. Now mine is on. Mine was off before, so yeah. This is how it can look before. You have like all your desktop icons. I have all my desktop in a folder, so yeah. But yeah. So just press on View and Show Desktop Icons. And yeah, that's all you need to do to like disable it. And if you want to like go ahead and like find all your apps again, just search up the app. So Netflix, I have it installed. No, I don't. What apps do I have installed? I don't know what apps I have installed. OBS, whatever. Yeah. Valorant. Yep. I don't know why it has no icon, but yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Subscribe to my channel if you want to. Totally your choice. But it is highly appreciated, and you can join the Scooby Gang. But yeah. See you in the next video. Bye.